Hello and welcome to Orchids 365. We have a very special unboxing to do. I'm super excited. Look at this big box of orchids. Let's do this. Are you ready, Julio? Ready? He gets excited. He loves unboxings because that means he has a new box to play in. Right, Julio? He's just doing all the cat stretches. All right, let's see how we can tackle this box. So I decided the easiest way to do this unboxing was gonna be on the floor, and Julio was not gonna miss it. So let's just see what we got here today. Akatsuka. Simply the best. I think it's been almost a year that I did the video, so this is the second time I ordered from them. I was on a waiting list for something out of this world. You are not gonna believe this. And I had to, guys. We worked too hard, so I've been behaving a little too good lately, so alright. Misbehaved just a tad. So the first one we're going to open, and it is hot, so I ran outside as soon as these arrived because like the temperatures have been out of this world. I am going to put a stock picture from their webpage. This is the RLC Tropic Flame Volcano Queen. As you can see, it's about 1.5 years or 2 years from blooming size. And I'm going to go ahead and let it breathe. Take all of this stuff off and put it right here next to me. And what are you doing? What did you find? All right, Julio. I'm gonna line it up maybe here against the box so that I can. Oh, this is gonna be fun, Huli. I'm telling you, this little guy, he is something else. I think if you want to see me, I can back up a little, but really it's for you guys to be able to see the orchids. I think this right here is a good angle. So I'm gonna start with the smaller ones, work my way up to the big ones. To play with there, but Julio's doing like the inspection. I like it when he does that because if there is a hijacked critter, I meant to say hitchhiking critter. So this little baby right here, another seedling, was the reason for my insanity. I've never seen this in my life, you guys. This is a variegated cattleya. Not only is it variegated, the blooming picture of the mother that they listed on their webpage is to die for. This is the RLC Akatsuka Volcano Queen Varigated. And I'm gonna put a stock picture of the mother plant where this baby came from. And look at that new growth. This was what caused me to make the purchase. So I have these two. Put it in there, and then you can't order from somewhere far away. You have to pay shipping. So if you don't order at least a good amount, then it doesn't make sense. So you have to go ahead and sacrifice when you order from Hawaii, and you have to order a few more because then the shipping makes sense. I mean, am I wrong? So we have the Carela. God, I love this. I never have gotten an orchid from them that I didn't love, and I never repot them right away. I always leave them. Look at how adorable, how plump those bulbs are. So this one is Sea Love Not Carmela Blue. Look how pretty. Julio, look how nice that is. He's like, no, Mom. No. Julio, am I boring you? He's over there by the door like, what else is new, Mom? Oh, look. I'm gonna get all this stuff out. There's another. He's over there meowing like if I'm not right here. Over there meowing. He wants attention. Doesn't like it when I give him too much attention. He's like, can I just hop in the box and play? Do you have have to talk about everything that comes out of the box, Mom. This is another seedling that will take about 1.5 to 2 years. 2 years tops to bloom. So I already have 3 of these this size, and you guys know that I grow, so you know sometimes you gotta do is you gotta wait. RLC Volcano Jewel, Volcano Queen. Look at that seedling. Beautiful. I keep those tags in place, and I'm gonna go ahead and hold up. These are the 3 babies. The middle one, I don't know where I'm gonna put her. I'm so nervous about having my first variegated cattleya because I know they like highlight, but variegated leaves are highly sensitive, at least when it comes to my aroids. They're really highly sensitive to light. They can burn easier, so I'm gonna have to find a perfect spot for it. I wanna take good care. Guys, we have unboxed 4. I believe we have 3 more. I'll show you in my next blooming video where I put them. Okay, wow, ooh, we have buds. Sorry, I don't know if I was too loud in the microphone. Oh, they're opening, you guys. This is the BC Knorn Pathome Silver. Gosh, I hope I said that correctly. It looks gorgeous, you guys. So by the time I do my blooming video, you'll be able to see the flowers fully blooming. Very pretty. I'm excited about this one. Look at those leaves. I was not expecting for this one to be blooming. This is exciting. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. I was trying to hold it with the other ones so that it doesn't like topple over. That's nice, you guys. Whenever you do an unboxing and something unexpectedly comes to me, what a sweet surprise, right? Oh, this one I believe is the one that I'm going to experiment with. Is it? Let me see. When I see the ID, I bought one that I'm gonna try to grow in my indoor grow area because I have a setup with my humidifier and my aroids, and I thought I'd find like an orchid that would be a perfect candidate for that environment. And would it be this one? Pacific Paria. Oh yeah, other side of pool. And I don't know, I think this may be a flower spike, you guys. Oh my goodness. How exciting. Ah, this is gonna look so pretty in my aroid area there. Because I have some of my species files in there. They're doing pretty good. And this guy, from my research, would probably do better indoors. We're gonna try that one out. Right, this is big one. This one is kind of sort of like a come here baby, like a wish list orchid of mine. I have a painting in the house with a picture of it, and it's not the same one exactly, but it looks so much like it. And then I saw they had a blooming size one, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the stock picture, but I'm also gonna show you the picture that I have. I'm gonna try to drop a picture of the painting that I have. I'm sorry, not the painting, a canvas that I have up on my wall from this very, very sweet artist that goes to Orchids in Bloom. I met her there like, I would say 3 years ago. And she takes pictures of orchids and turns them into these beautiful canvases. And I have her work in my home. And when I saw this, I was like, it almost looks just like that beautiful, beautiful orchid. And it is blooming size, not in bloom right now, but it is growing. Look at that, beautifully. This is big, you guys, big. So this one's called the Volcano Pastoral Volcano Queen. It is such an elegant cattleya flower. It is white with like this very, very subtle pink edging on it. It is to die for. So I know that this is not the same one that I have pictured because I have the idea of the other one, which right now I can't, you know, off the top of my head, I can't remember, but it came close enough and I was like, I have to get that one. So this is kind of like getting a wishlist orchid, and this little itty bitty baby with the variegation is getting an orchid that I have been waiting for. I mean, this is a gem, you guys. This is 1 in a million unique freshly released, never seen it. It's hard to find things like that, right? When you've been collecting for a long time. Julia, where did you go, buddy? I got an empty box for you right when I emptied out his new toy. I don't want to put the newspaper in there. Julio, you don't want to come say bye? He has a perfectly fresh box to hop into, and then he decides to go. He's like, you're talking too much to your plants. I'm wearing my easily distracted by orchids shirt because I thought it would be it would match the situation because I'm doing an unboxing and there's some cattleyas. I wanted to tell you, for those of you that are newer here to my channel, that this was a photograph of one of my very favorite cattleyas growing in my garden, as one of the butterflies was sitting on it, and I gave it to my sister-in-law, and she made it in this image of my picture, and it perfectly describes me. I love my orchids, I love my garden, but if you've ever seen me at a show, I can't focus. I get so excited like a kid in a candy store. So easily distracted by orchids is another one that I am gonna have in my store through Printful, along with the Julio design, and one more that's coming up just in time for the average show. So yeah, I'll keep you posted on those. I really enjoyed opening these with you. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it and show you one more time what they look like. So here's the last one that I opened. That was the biggest blooming size. These beauties are in bloom. This one that I'm gonna grow inside has a spike pushing up, and I can't get over these plump bulbs. Guys, look at this, how cute the love knot is. And my very first ever variegated cattleya. I will have flowers in 2 years, maybe, I hope. Yeah, I just wanted to show you one more time. I just wanted to tell you that I appreciate you. You guys are awesome. Thank you for following me along my orchid journey, supporting my small business, bringing me all of your positive energy, your good vibes. You guys are amazing. Keep doing what you do because you're spreading more kindness in the world, and God knows the world needs more kindness every day. With all that being said, I hope you have a lovely week. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I hope you always remember to please be kind. Catch you next time. Bye.